Imagine a world where the deadliest weapons are forged without a trace of gunpowder. In this video, we reveal the 15 most lethal tools of destruction, each one a silent witness to human creativity and deadly intent. Number 15. Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro boosts archery gun speed and power. It swaps CO2 for an upgraded PCP power plant, launching arrows at 370 foot per second with 52 foot-pound energy. Its regulator limits at 1500 psi, compatible with high-press shaft technology. The 7.4 cubic in air tank provides 25 consistent shots. It features flat dark earth accents, a quick connect fitting, and ample rail space. Perfect for recoil-sensitive hunters or pest control. Number 14. RSX-7 Slingshot. The RSX-7 Doomsday Slingshot is equipped with a built-in magazine for 40 rounds of 8mm ball bearings or a single crossbow bolt. Its front handle is adjustable for power levels, enabling precise shots up to 300 feet. It includes a Picatinny rail, but optics are sold separately. Weighing 4.4 pounds, it arrives in 3 boxes. There's debate regarding its legality across various countries. Number 13. Assassin Extreme. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme is lighter and more flexible than previous models, yet it remains powerful and accurate for hunting. Its micro high output limbs and 15-inch power stroke launch bolts at 400 foot per second. The included Charger EXT system reduces cocking effort to 22 pound. Weighing 6.9 pound bare and 9.6 pound fully loaded, it comes in flat dark earth finish with a tacked 100 scope, bolts, quiver, and suppressors. Number 12. Steambow Fenris. The Steambow Fenris is a top-tier accessory that revolutionizes compound bow use. Developed with YouTuber Yorks Prov, this magazine enables rapid reloads and holds 5 arrows at once. It fits most modern compound bows, ensuring seamless integration with your gear. Its durable design allows for rapid-fire archery without sacrificing precision. The Fenris is praised as one of the most powerful and reliable mass-produced air rifles available, enhancing your shooting experience significantly. Number 11. Umarex AirSaber Elite X2. The Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 boasts incredible speed and accuracy. Reviews highlight its capability to hunt bears with a range of 69 meters and an initial speed of 137 meters per second. Weighing approximately 4 kilograms with the sight, it features a large magazine capacity for 25 shots. Utilizing PCP release technology, it offers virtually recoil-free shooting, enhancing accuracy and control. Number 10. Ballista Megabat Crossbow. This crossbow features a patented cocking system, making it easy to reload for all users. This full-size crossbow, weighing 8.92 pound and measuring 33 inches, has a built-in self-retracting cord tensioner, ensuring consistent performance. It delivers a fast 420 FPS velocity with a powerful 330 pound draw weight. Engineered for stability and precision, it is perfect for hunting, fishing, target practice, and self-defense. The Megabat's ambidextrous design and aluminium construction add to its versatility. Number 9. CA09 Railgun. The world's premier commercially available coil accelerator operates solely on electromagnetism. Its compact design and versatile features make it a standout weapon. It fires metal discs at an impressive cyclic rate of up to 2,400 rounds per minute. With magazine feeding and 3 firing modes, semi-auto, full auto, and shotgun, it offers flexibility in combat. In full auto mode, it releases a rapid barrage of discs at 600 rounds per minute. Its silent operation, adjustable rate of fire, and smokeless nature add to its appeal. This formidable railgun requires no moving parts, yet delivers exceptional stopping power. Number 8. WT Mini Striker. This crossbow with a 5-inch narrow limb design is slim and compact. Its lightweight aluminium body ensures easy flexibility in the field and effectiveness in tight spaces like ground blinds or canoes. An integrated crank system reduces the draw weight from 120 pounds to 40 pounds, simplifying cocking. It also includes an adjustable foregrip for better control and a 22mm Picatinny rail for various sights and scopes. Number 7. X Products Can Cannon. An innovative soda can and launcher guarantees excitement at gatherings. This potent device effortlessly hurls 12-ounce cans up to 105 yards, offering a surprising twist to refreshment sharing. Using a unique gas tube system, it safeguards delicate projectiles. Beyond store-bought cans, unleash creativity by 3D printing your own. Available at an affordable price, this handheld flamethrower promises endless fun, making it a must-have for any occasion. Number 6. Arcus Aerostar. A versatile pistol crossbow, the Arcus Aerostar merges the finest traits of a pellet and airsoft gun in a sleek, ergonomic design. Unlike conventional crossbows, it's easy to handle and operate, requiring minimal effort. With a CO2 cartridge, arrow loading, and pressurization, it offers impressive accuracy up to 10 to 15 meters, ideal for target practice. Each cartridge yields up to 15 shots, ensuring consistency via a pressure regulator. Equipped with a clear pressure indicator, it enhances shooting experiences, compatible with accessories like sticks or Picatinny rail adapters. Number 5. Raven R500. Moving on to the Raven R500, it stands out for its sleek design, achieved through the innovative hex coil cam system. With a blazing speed of 500 feet per second, it's built for high performance. Sporting robust features like machine RIS and heavy limbs, it ensures silent operation. The slim profile when cocked makes it perfect for various hunting scenarios. Enhanced by the Versa drive cocking system, it offers immense power, making it one of the market's top choices. Number 4. Arc Flash Labs EMG-02. Next is the EMG-02 coil gun by Arc Flash Labs, pushing boundaries with its fully automatic operation and innovative design. With 10 stages, including computer optically controlled and booster stages, it fires up to 13 rounds per second at incredible velocities of 75 miles per second. Requiring no compressor, its batteries store enough charge for over 300 shots, even rechargeable via solar panels. Compatible with variable caliber steel armatures, it offers versatility and a glimpse into the future of firearms. Number 3. FX Airguns Ranchero. As a powerful PCP pistol, the FX Ranchero Arrow delivers impressive performance. It converts an older precision airgun into a pistol that shoots over-barrel bolts at up to 240 feet per second. Featuring an ergonomic handle, matched trigger, and superior build quality, it ensures top-tier precision. The 230 grain bolts with field tips offer versatility for different hunting needs, making it effective for ranges up to 30 yards and ideal for various hunting scenarios. Number 2. Hammer XT. Its powerful user-oriented design and mounted flashlight make the Hammer XT an advanced arrow-firing sling bow perfect for low-light shooting. This versatile weapon includes all components for arrow shooting and bow fishing, allowing easy switching between XT and LT hammerheads based on preference. The kit offers effortless swapping between Slingshot and Slingbow heads, and users can choose between the powerful XT handle and the portable LT handle. Experience the power and practicality of the Hammer XT. Number 1. SIG Sauer MPX Air. At 600 FPS, the SIG MPX Gen 2 CO2 replica mirrors the weight, balance, and controls of the SIG MPX short-stroke rifle. This airgun version allows home practice with its 30-pellet roto-belt magazine, supporting semi-auto shooting. An HPA bottle offers up to 250 rounds between fills. Featuring a synthetic handguard, Picatinny rail, tactical front grip, and adjustable stock, it achieves sub-1-inch accuracy at 30 yards with SIG Sauer .177 pellets, making it a top choice for target practice. Thanks for watching.